Hello. This is, I guess, Miriam G, the amazing YouTuber. I'm back from my super long hiatus of approximately 111 days, and here's a video of me taking apart my old microphone. Hey, what's up, my boys? Razer didn't do a very good job on this product, so today I'm going to be showing how you disassemble this this mighty Razer Seiren Pro. As you can see, I've already taken the top off.
You have to remove a sticker?
Yeah, there's a sticker that's around this top. You just peel that off.
And exposes two screws.
There's two screws here. You take that off. Then these two things will be connected. You'll need to disconnect those. You can just toss that to the side. Now you have the lighting in here is garbage. Okay, we're back and we have a professional lighting guy. As you can see, the inside, this is loose, however, it's blocked by these two things, of which you just need to, on the inside, you can see there's a little lip there. You just pry that shit out. Boy, fuck, I'm gonna snap this.
Kind of peel it down, yeah.
I wonder if how do I disconnect the other side?
Yeah, if you peel it down, it'll like slip out from the top, right? And, like if you just run your nails down the side.
Oh my god, you have no idea how tight this is. It
Why?
appears there is like sticky stuff, like glue.
It's also, you don't want to do this if you have a warranty.
Yeah, we lost ours, and this is our only hope of maybe fixing it, which we probably won't do.
Yeah, I'll only do this if like it's not detecting restarted computer use or multiple computers or whatever.
That is
no warranty.
This part off. Now can I please just...
I wonder if you can...
I expected it to be much easier to take off once I got that part off.
You have to like pull out the knobs.
Can I? Oh. Yeah.
You can just pull out the knobs when you take off the cover.
Okay.
Okay.
So, those are those. Ooh, they're like thingamabobs. Okay. Make sure to keep all of your little pieces to your dumbass Siren in like a little box or something, so that you don't lose the shit. Because this was expensive and you paid a lot of money for this, and that light is bright. Okay.
It is.
So, now that we've got those off, we can take these off. I'm mainly filming this not just for your entertainment, but because I'm not gonna know how to put this thing back together. So we got the main sheath off, the inside of a Razer Seiren. Ooh, that's kind of cool. This is the turning mechanism, the gain control. This one determines what mode you're in. On the back side, we got some more dumb circuit stuff that no one cares about. I'm gonna, just so this little wire thing isn't in the way, I'm gonna pop.
I'm the professional light guy.
Dude, don't drop that, it's gonna be so loud. Now you should have more slack and we can put that on like the table. This is the lengths we go to for professional lighting. Let's try to get that right on top, so it's like...
That's a home bright light.
Yeah, that's extremely bright. I might turn down the bop. That does nothing during the video shooting.
In fact, what are some light bulbs that are filled with mercury vapor? So don't like break them in your house, I guess. Although it doesn't have very much, but like still.
Okay, the next step to the disassembly process of the Siren is we don't know.
There's foam, there's... Is there anything on the bottom that would be connected to?
No, the bottom is like hella sealed off.
Metal frame thing, it doesn't wiggle, doesn't move.
I'm guessing the metal frame is like secured into
this foam isn't soft. Right, it's kind of, but not very. If you look in there, there's
moss
metal
screws. There's screws. Way down.
Is that magnetic? Would you be able to take that out? Or do you have to like dump it?
I'm gonna just dump it, because
okay.
Screw this. Delete this. I almost deleted his current picture.
No, don't delete it. It's very, like, important, I swear.
Oh, the screw isn't, this head isn't big enough. I have a feeling we have to take the boards apart, maybe.
I probably don't do that. Stop.
Okay, boys, we're back. I got that little screwdriver out. That thing's a pain. Okay, Garrett has his eye protection. I would take the camera off the stand to show it, but this thing took way too long to put into place.
How do we take this out?
We have to.
Do we stab it and rip it off?
Probably.
Just take that, and then, like, right here. Just stick it in the side and pull it up.
I think we need like two at this.
Stick it in the side and then pull it up, maybe. But that's gonna like shred and whatever. You're gonna destroy the foam anyway, I think.
I don't think the foam is super necessary.
Oh,
I probably just stabbed whatever was under that. Okay, that's one piece of foam. I don't even really need to save that, but like, there's a ton of plugs down there. There's 3. Come on, focus.
Wait, I wonder if is there anything on this side that would come off?
No, there's not. That side's like bulletproof. These things come out. No, they don't. Just kidding.
How much did they come out? Like, what's preventing them? Is it another?
It's
like,
because they're too big. They're too fat to fit through that.
how did they get the button in there in the first place? It's too fat.
I don't know. They probably did this in a much better order than we currently are. I think we need to, but I don't want to. So apparently this foam.
Stick it in the side and like pull it up. Just like impale it and then impale it in the side.
How?
Like, yeah, push it through on the side a little bit and then pull up.
I'm trying. Removing foam from Razer Seiren Pro 2.
Okay.
Okay.
It's destroyed.
Yeah, I don't think that's usable anymore. I don't think you really need it. It's not really.
It should look like that.
This is a little bit of a fuck you to Razer for giving me a product that expired like legitimately a few weeks after the warranty expired.
Okay.
This one's also pretty destroyed.
Wait, is this supposed to be like
Yeah, there's supposed to be a hole there, but the destruction on the sides was me. Stuff plugged into.
Not
Oh,
this-
that's why the foam is there. You need that for this stand. Because the screws go into the foam to stop it from tightening too much onto the frame. That's why the frame looks nice. Okay, this is fun. You want to plug it in again?
Why would it make a difference?
I don't know. It won't. Okay. Bob. Ooh, it lit up for a second down there.
No, not this. It says it's not.
Not recognized. Yeah. It's out in the corner. I see another screw. That must be why. That might be the final screw. Oh no.
Oh no, what?
There's a screw way down. There's a screw that's way down there. We're not getting that anytime soon. And you can't undo it with that.
Why not?
Because it's too big. The screw's too big. I know you can get to it, but like...
Why are you touching my clicky keyboard?
Because I like the clicky.
Yeah.
I'd hate this for recording though, because this would get and pick up by the microphone.
It's really hard to turn. I haven't got it turned at all.
Our lamp.
I like the screwdriver.
Oh my god, this is such a pain in the ass. This is wallpaper. Neato. Let me hit that Minecraft dab. I mean, I want to destroy this thing, but like,
How are you doing?
it's too big. Okay, that's a lost cause. Let's get the one that we can get. Let's go in for the money shot.
That little like moth. It's on the camera now.
No, don't crush it on the camera.
I touched it.
The camera's legit getting hot because the light's so close to it.
Really?
Yeah. So I got 2 new screwdrivers. Yeah, this one's the man for the job. Oh, I think it got wobbly.
Oh. Do you dump the screw out on the thing?
I'm going to.
Just
Yep.
make sure that. Yeah.
But yeah, the whole thing just got super wobbly. We almost
held
can,
down?
but the
Oh.
buttons. Dude, we can almost take the siren out of the siren.
Well, wait. Can you take that out now?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Oh yeah, wait, we need to pull this out, don't you? Oh, it's coming out? No, it's not.
Is it?
It's pulling the whole thing. Can you get in there and lever it out?
I don't know where it disconnects from.
If it's anything like the other ones, there's just like, oh wait, that looks out, kinda. Is it? At all?
No. It's got like...
Yeah, it's like what the other one was, isn't it?
Fuck. This is such a good use of my time. I'm destroying something that I've really liked. Do we ever... I don't even need this thing. I never used it. We could just...
No, it's not just like yoink it. Yeah, as long as you don't like break it. Break the pins
Fuck
on it.
off. The fly just hit me in the eye. That was not a nice sound.
Is that a flathead?
Yeah.
No, this part right here.
You're hitting it, but it's just not open enough yet for you to pry into it.
Yeah. Oh, you put it on backwards.
Yeah, I did. So it goes the G first, then...
It has that thing that pushes onto the...
So it disconnects right here, where that little dent is.
But is that the same as that one down there?
Probably, because that's where it starts to turn the other knob.
Okay, this one's bigger, but it looks like...
But look, it has, if we turn it,
It has the same thing on it.
it has the same divot, so that's where it disconnects from. This is like professional.
I can't like get an edge on it very well. How is this? Like a yellow...
What are you doing?
There's a yellow film on it or something. A yellow sticky something.
Dude, stop. I mean, I hate the siren, but come on, man. No, it's like we're chipping pieces off of it.
Oh.
Oh, I just scored it, dude.
What?
I just cut the inside of the dial. I don't need the volume dial. I'm telling you, we could just saw this thing.
Oh, I did it.
Okay.
Look, it has,
Let
like,
me
some
focus.
yellow
You're way
adhesive.
too close.
There's some yellow adhesive, so yeah, okay.
Oh my god. We
Yeah,
like...
this thing is a pain in the ass to take off.
Okay.
So
You
this...
just gotta nail it.
Oh, what kind of is this? Oh, it's this thing. It's a
Yeah.
bigger version of...
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
hitting now.
What?
So there's a thing. The noise.
Oh.
Oh, is it the wires? What is connected? What is moving? What's not moving?
Oh, it's the screen.
The screen.
How? No. Do we have to take this part off?
Oh, that's bright light.
What is up, boys? So we found out that by tilting, you can now tilt this part to the side. We can reach those screws that we could not reach before. Fucking hit the focus button.
Also, it makes a clicking noise and moving the thing back and forth.
Yeah, which is probably not a good clicky noise.
Screw.
What? I have like mucho unscrewed it. We've done it, boys. 1 out of 2. Thank God for these oddly proportioned screwdrivers that for some reason are suited like just for this job. And this camera focus for once in its fucking life. That's a bit better.
You like pressing the buttons on a keyboard? No. Oh no.
I deleted it. Oh no, it doesn't work there.
Oh no.
We've done Jetta 2. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Nope. Still blocked by something. What are we blocked by?
What? What?
Are you guys ready for this? Dude.
Oh my god. We just find my mouse.
Oh, well, there goes that little silver bit.
What, a silver bit?
There's like this little ring.
Oh yeah, that's on the other part too. I just close my desktop.
So this is what the Razer Seiren
So it's just
microphone.
these little things and mics. What was making the clicking noise? Was it these?
Nope, it's this hitting this. Here, there's probably what? There are no screws. So, while I wasn't recording, it was through all the way, and I just pulled it really hard, and we heard a snap, and we laughed our asses off because I thought I destroyed it.
You didn't record the laughing.
No. But, yeah.
You get this like Drew or someone.
It's actually really light.
It's the whole microphone.
Yeah.
Unboxing.
Dude, you want to plug it in?
Plug it in, see if it does. Oh, wait.
The moment of
wait,
not
wait.
truth. Of course, it does not work. Windows does not recognize your device. This is now my new prized possession. I really did like this microphone. Trust me, I did. But it doesn't fucking work. Because Razer doesn't give a fuck about you if your thing breaks. They just don't care. Okay, stop making noise, dude. It's currently like 1:0 something.
106.
1:06. My parents are attempting to sleep. Okay, I'm gonna put all this shit in the box and I'm gonna just leave it.
That phone here? Like in the mesh or something.
Well, this is what the inside of a Razer Seiren looks like. I wonder what it would sound like if this was still functioning and I just went. Well then. Wow. There's probably one of these tiny little things that got like just broken somehow. Put all my shit. Stop. Okay, we're done. We're done here. That sort of stands up like that. Thumbnail.